Alright, so if you guys are caught up, you understand that this car is missing this hose right here. Alright, this is one clamp, and then this is the second, this is the other half of the clamp, the second clamp. Alright, I had to call a tow truck. They told me from the intersection back to my house, which is here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to replace that hose. Alright, so check this out. This right here is 15.1 millimeter off. Take this clamp off. We really only need about that much, but I'm gonna leave a little bit more just in case. Alright, so cool. I cut it, but I left a little extra. Pretty much all we have to do now is put the hose on there, but we're gonna keep the clamps on the hose, so after we install it, we don't have to put the clamps on. I cut the hose right here, but this hose ended up being too small, so I ended up going back to AutoZone. I got this one right here, and we're gonna have to cut this one down the side. This one looks like the correct size. We're gonna cut this one down the size, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. Alright, so now I cut the Continental hose down to size with a little extra left over. Alright, so we got this coolant hose started on there. Alright, now we're gonna have to work this in onto here. I did have to remove this, and this along with this hose to get access to it.
Okay, yeah.
We just work the hose on here. That's gonna be on that side, and then we pretty much loosen this one up. Put this on, put it down, and put this on. Like that, right there. Now we gotta work this. Golly. There you go. There you go.
Let me start recording now.
No, you can keep recording. Because the people want to see this. They want to see how I did it, because they gonna be doing it too. Because that's probably why they clicked on the video. Because I'm pretty sure this is a common hose to pop, I guess. Alright. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much reinstalling both the hose clamps with a flathead screwdriver. I will start the car up here pretty soon. Feel free to drop a like, feel free to subscribe. I do have a lot more DIYs and how-tos on Nissan Sentra, Dodge Dakota, Mitsubishi Montero Sport, Grand Prix, I believe that's a Pontiac. Y'all check that out too. I'm gonna cut the hose. Well, I'm gonna cut the hose. Alright, put it on right here. This connector goes back here. This one goes back to this one. Alright, this one goes back to this one. I believe that's on there. I can't tell. It didn't click like the last one. Just assume that it's on there. And if it's loose, it'll come off. There we go. Alright, that's good. That's good. That connector's good. That connector's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the reservoir overflow or whatever back on. Make sure that cap is good. That cap is good. Positive. That's really just extra. That's just extra. Make sure that move out tight. Make sure that move out tight. Okay. Alright, you can stop it. Alright, so these are the tools that I use. I use this knife to cut the hose. This is the old hose that popped. This is the hose that did not fit. I had to use a wire brush to shave down some of the old caked up coolant. I also use this to cut the hose. And right here, this is the name of the actual hose that fit. So I end up putting this bag, this bag, this bag. I never had to take this connector off. That clamp is good. That clamp is good. I put this back here. It went all the way over here to this. And yeah, pretty much top off your coolant. In this case, mine is already topped off, but I might have to burp the system. But I'm gonna do that off camera. I'll do that whole process off camera if I gotta burp the system. But yeah, that's how you reinstall this specific hose right here. If that hose popped on your 97 Mustang, that's how you reinstall that hose. This is what the car looks like. Alright. It's running good. It's running good.